and start our Concept X2 fully autonomous demonstration. And as we begin, the DX225CX crawler excavator will start off by showing its ability to automatically dig and dump, and it's doing this with help from enhanced machine learning. The technology actually generates an optimal excavation trajectory through an AI model that's programmed into the machine with expert data. And there you see that onboard camera live as the DX225CX is going through its operation here. The excavator is using real-time terrain recognition technology that is based on information it's getting from its LiDAR sensors. And you see a live, real-time display of that LiDAR sensor technology in the upper left-hand corner of your big screen here. As it takes one more pass, it's worth pointing out that the productivity of this brand new Concept X2 system has actually increased by 13% compared to the previous Concept X system. And now we'll watch as the excavator gets ready to demonstrate how it can handle a number of grading and trenching jobs and do it automatically using its tilt rotator. We'll see the machine go through 4 different actions, and they'll be centered 2D grading, left and right 3D grading, and then finally V-shaped trenching that it will handle. And this automatic grading work is possible again by setting coordinate targets with that LiDAR-based recognition system. And I think we're going to see that on the screen here in a matter of seconds as well. As we move from the center 2D grading to the right 3D grading, I'll let you know also that outside the pit we have 12 models on display from DEVELON, including the brand new DX1000LC-7. That's DEVELON's largest excavator. That'll be available a little bit later this year. The DX380LL-5 log loader, several mini excavators, and we have the brand new compact track loader, the prototype DTL35, which is set for release in 2024. Another improvement from the Concept X version to the current and new Concept X2 is a lot more precise control of the tilt rotator, and that helps the operator increase work efficiency and productivity. With the automated tilt rotator capability, combined twin grading and V-shaped grading is possible even with a standard bucket, and even somebody with relatively little experience can perform to the level of a highly skilled operator when they are in remote control mode or tele-operation mode. And keep in mind that we're still here in autonomous mode. We'll get to the remote control mode here in just a second. One more pass on the center V-shaped trenching. As I mentioned, we'll discuss the transparent bucket technology in a moment, but one of the other models on display outside the pit is the GL280-7, which is specially equipped, especially prepared for transfer stations with a waste guarding package. Okay, let's talk about the remote control capabilities of the DX225CX. And our man over here on the remote control handset, some of you are wondering about the battery life on the remote controller that Sue is wearing. If you were to use that continuously for 8 hours a day, straight on, the battery pack would last about 3 days. So the less you use it on a per day basis, the longer that battery pack, the battery life, will be. And all right, good, Sue. Thank you very much. Now let's bring out the DD 100CX dozer and watch it demonstrate its autonomous driving capabilities. You heard the little horn. That is its signal to us that I'm about ready to move. So let's get going. This is using Trimble's Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS, and that's the new self-driving technology for the dozer. Keep in mind that autonomous driving is possible only within a preset geofenced area. So if and when the machine leaves that preset boundary, it will automatically stop. And there you see on the screen the graphic representation of what we're talking about. Keep an eye on the blade as well as the dozer moves in reverse. It has an electro-hydraulic system and a Trimble GNSS that's based on AGG sensors that enable the blade control system, keeping that blade as close to the surface as possible, regardless of the position and the orientation of the dozer, and that makes it very easy to level the terrain. Now you see the DX350 LCR behind it with some railroad ties. We're going to demonstrate something here that is on the dozer. It's the advanced e-stop safety feature, which is enabled by a wide range of sensors, 180 degrees wide out the rear, and this automatically detects obstacles behind the machine, in this case the railroad ties. If the dozer sees an obstacle, while it's in reverse, just like that, it will come to a dead stop or e-stop to prevent the collision. All right, and we'll hear and see more from Joel Escalante at the wheel of the excavator here in a moment. Now, on to the remote capabilities of the DD100CX. Very similar to that of the DX225CX excavator, and our man here, will demonstrate some driving as well as blade and ripper operations that can all be performed remotely. One other note on the dozer, the base model dozer, the manually operated DD100, which debuted last year, is here. We also have the brand new DD130 on site here at Conexpo in Las Vegas. That one will be rolling out a bit later on this year. And again, now we are in remote control mode. Peaceful. Thank you very much. Now, the newest member of the 35-ton excavator line is the DEVELON DX350 LCR-7. Very agile and nimble. It's a reduced tail swing design that is perfect for tight road construction applications. It's able to work in very small spaces. That's why we put him over in the corner. And that reduced tail swing design helps keep traffic disruptions to a minimum in that application. The Dash 7 here has a lot of oomph, a lot of lifting power, and pay attention to the blade on the front. It's able to pull, it's able to push, sweep material out of the way as needed. And this has plenty of lift capability as well, plenty even to handle a Jersey barrier if the case should arise. The 350 LCR also paired with an optional two-piece boom that makes it even more versatile when you're working on a complex job site, either in a tight situation, maybe even indoors if necessary. And so Joel Escalante is the operator, and he is our product specialist for excavators, stacking the railroad ties and now putting another stack perpendicular to the first. And if you have any questions, Joel will be available a little bit later on. Thank you, Joel. Now, we would like to demonstrate for you DEVELON's industry-exclusive transparent bucket technology. And we're going to do that with our DL320-7 with Bill Zack at the controls. He's our product manager for wheel loaders. This transparent bucket technology available on Dash 7 series wheel loaders. And he's coming toward me. And this technology allows multiple forward-facing cameras to project an image of me or whatever the object would be in the operator's blind spot. There's two cameras, one down on the front axle and one up high, and they combine to stitch an image together. And the smart around view monitoring, the smart monitoring allows me to show up as a red triangle or a danger sign, and also the red border around the screen, which the operator can also see in the cockpit. This particular loader, by the way, running version 2 of this technology, and this will be available very, very soon. Basically, the transparent bucket technology helps the operator see what his eyes will not allow him to see. Now, in addition to the transparent bucket technology, we have the SAVM, or Smart Around View Monitoring. And Bill's going to bring this out in front of me. And how this works is with the addition of 3 cameras and a number of sensors on the rear of the wheel loader. And when I step in and when he puts the machine in reverse, as you can see on the screen, once again, I show up as a red triangle, danger, and the red outline, the red border around the viewing screen for the operator as well. That is the Smart Around View Monitoring, or SAVM, that happens when he puts the machine into reverse. And all of these technologies, folks, from DEVELON come together to promote better job site safety, and that is a massive, massive priority. Bill Zach, thank you very much. And he's going to take a moment here to clean up the pit in a second. But before he does that, we want to take a moment to thank you guys for coming out, even amongst the raindrops, to join us for this live demonstration of the future of job sites, including the first fully autonomous construction equipment. We'll be doing this, weather permitting, again at 3 o'clock later today, and then the rest of the week, 10:30 in the morning, 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. So we would love to have you come back, bring your friends, bring your colleagues, and for those of you who are here right now, we would love to have you go over to the Welcome Center. That is the triangular big screen display. We have free DEVELON hats and goodie bags for you as our way of saying thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, we have many product experts that are here in our information station. They would be happy to talk to you and discuss some of the terrific technology that DEVELON is coming out with. Thanks so much for being here today.